Ariana and her twin sister were over a friend's house for a play date. One of her little friends had a bow and arrow. His father had bought him a bow and arrow. Well, the little boy was standing on the side of the garage shooting into the backyard. So as she walked down the back of the house, she turned the corner to go down the driveway, and the arrow struck her between her eye and the bridge of her nose.
It really hurts.
The arrow penetrated her brain. It was about 1/8 of an inch before it was going to come out the back of her head. EMS transported her to Robert Wood Johnson Hospital and Children's Specialized Hospital in New Brunswick. Not much to do but pray at that point in time. People look at children as mini-me's, if you will, scaled-down versions of adults, and that's not the case at all. A children's hospital is geared towards, I don't just want to say children as a whole, but it's geared towards the pediatrics. It's geared towards being able to support the needs of a child. The body of a child is different. The anatomy of a child, although when you look at it, we all have hearts, kidneys, and livers, but the body of a child and the mind of a child functions so much differently. These folks that work in these hospitals are, as far as I'm concerned, they're one level away from being a saint. They understand a child, not just what it takes to treat them medically, but emotionally. They know what it takes to treat the parents. Because my wife and I and Ariana's twin sister, we were just as much patients there at the hospital as Ariana was. And they did everything to accommodate us and take care of us, not just make sure she medically was fit, but make sure we were okay. We've been very fortunate to have Children's Hospital there and be able to make use of their services. If we didn't, Ari probably wouldn't be here today.